Hi everyone, this is our MCT number 9. Now get ready and let's start. Number 1. When 7 is added to a number, the answer is 19. What is the missing number? I repeat. When 7 is added to a number, the answer is 19. What is the missing number? Now, do you remember from our previous lesson, our addition sentence, that two parts of the numbers that we add together is equal to whole? And you remember also that we label our numbers as part plus part equals whole. So here we have this part plus part is equal to whole. Now, one part is missing. Do you remember what we do if one part is missing? We minus. So here we can do our column method to find what is the missing number. Number 2. What is double of 30? Double of 30. To get a double of a number, we add the same number to itself. Now from before, I told you that if the question asks you to double a number, you have to add the same number. Now look at this example. What is double of 12? So we have to double the 12. So what we do? We have to plus the same number. So double of 12 is 24. Now, question number 2. What is double of 30? Number 3. I have two 10-cent coins. How many more 10-cent coins I need to make $1? Now let's recap our lesson of exchanging money. $1 has 10 coins of 10 cents. Now you can see from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $1 is the same as 10 coins of 10 cents. Now remember, I have two 10-cent coins. So how many more 10-cent coins I need to make $1? Number 4. 18 people are riding bicycle. Half of them stop. How many people are riding the bicycle now? Now, how do we find half? How do we find half of 18? Now let's recap our lesson on how we find the half. Now as you can see from here, half is opposite of doubles. Now if you remember, before we use fingers, like we put up one finger plus another one finger is equal to 2. So just like here, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So half of 2 is 1. Okay, next, 2 plus 2 equals 4. So what is half of 4? Yes, it's 2. Okay, next, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Now, what is half of 6? Correct. It's 3. Okay, the next example. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Now, half of 8 is, yes, it's 4. Okay, then next, 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now, what is half of 10? 5. Now, what is half of 18? Find the answer. Number 5. What is the value of the underlined digit? What is the value of the underlined digit? Now, before you answer, let's recap our lesson. Now, look at this number. As I always said before, label the number. So here you can see TO. This letter T means tens, and the O here means ones. Now look at this place value chart. To find the value of each number, we have to know the place value chart. So here we see 2 tens and 2 ones. So even if from here we already know the value, because when we say 2 tens, it means 20, and 2 ones means 2. That's why we read the number as 22, not 22. And if you look at our tens blocks here, we have one group of tens, another group of 10. So that's why we have 20. And here we have only 2 blocks, so it's only 2. So again, the value of 2 tens here means 20, and the 2 ones here means 2. Now answer number 5. What is the value of the underlined digit? Number 6. A week has 7 days. How many weeks are there in 14 days? Now remember, 1 week has 7 days, and it asks you how many weeks are there in 14 days. Use the clue below to find the answer. Number 7. Simon is thinking of a number. The number is 10 less than 72. What number is he thinking of? Now, the word 10 less than 72, from what we learned from before, it means minus. So in here, to find the answer of what number Simon is thinking of, we minus 10 less than 72. Now we can do our column method to check our answer. Number 8. What is the total of 10, 20, and 30? I repeat, what is the total of 10, 20, and 30? Now the word total, it means plus. So we have to add all of the given numbers. Now how do we do? Always do the column method to check our answer. Number 9. How many 50-cent coins are there in $3? How many 50-cent coins are there in $2? Now remember, $1 has 1, 2 coins of 50 cents. Now, how many 50-cent coins are there in $2? Number 10. If you break half a dozen of eggs out of 2 dozens, how many eggs are left? I repeat, if you break half a dozen of eggs out of 2 dozens, how many eggs are left? Now, dozen means group of 12. Half a dozen of eggs means 6 eggs. Now, if we have 2 dozens, so it means we have this eggs. So we have 1 dozen, 12 eggs. Another 1 dozen equals 12 eggs. So now we have 2 dozens. It means we have 24 eggs. Now answer question number 10. If you break half a dozen of eggs out of 2 dozens, how many eggs are left? Remember, half a dozen eggs means 6 eggs. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you.